anything into the hypothesis, it is always about if and then, right? If we give this, this will happen. If we don't give this, this will happen, right? So it is always about if and then when we convert any problem into the hypothesis. So problem cannot be, tested. Only hypothesis can be tested, because this is an assumption. This is an, assumption like about the relationship between the two variables. So those that can be tested and that can be proved right or wrong. So that's why we always convert our problem into the hypothesis. Then we are having a problem statement, like how we write a problem statement. I have cited one example over here, the use of the graphic calculators in teaching algebra. So basically, I want to check whether the graphic calculators, they are very much helpful in teaching algebra, right? So I want to convert this question into a hypothesis. So what I will do, I have to do the comparison. So I have taken 10th class students, and suppose there are 100 students. To the 50 students, I have given the graphic calculators, right? And to the 50 students, I told them they are not supposed to use the graphic calculators, right? So I have, converted my question into the comparative analysis, right? So where I have given like the one group of the students with the calculators and the others are without the calculators. So then I will check their performance, like how they perform in the final examination, like the students who were using the graphic calculator and who were not using the graphic calculator. So if I find out, if at the end, if I find out like the students who were using the graphic calculators, they are as equal to the students who were not using the graphic calculators. Like there is no difference in their achievement in algebra for grade, whether they are using it or not. Then I would say, okay, this is a null hypothesis. Null hypothesis means there is no difference between the observed and the expected value. So what I expected and what I observed, so there was no difference, right? So this is how we pick one question, problem, then we convert that problem or topic into a one question, and then I have to convert it into a hypothesis. If I don't convert into a hypothesis, that means I can't go for the comparative analysis, right? So why do we need a research methodology?